Assalamualaikum students, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to do exercise number 1.1 of chapter number 1 of class 9. Okay, so the chapter name is Matrices and Determinants, and the exercise 1.1 is about introduction to matrices. And so exercise 1.1 and question number 1 we are going. Question number 1 is to find the order of matrices. So in question number 1, we have to find the order of a matrix. Okay, of all the given matrices. So what is order of the matrix? It is simply the number of rows into number of columns. Okay, so number of columns. So we are given with a matrix. Okay, for example, this is a matrix, and for this matrix, if we are asked to find the order of a given matrix, as in this question, so we are simply write the number of rows. For example, number of rows are 3 into number of columns. Number of columns are 4. So in this way we are going to do it. Okay, this was the example, and now what? Now we are going to solve each question of. So first part, number the first part is a minus 5. Okay, so this is the first matrix which is given here, and we have to tell the order of this matrix. The order of this matrix is 2 into 2. Okay, order of the matrix is 2 into 2. Why? Because there are two number of rows and two number of columns. There are two rows and two columns, so this is showing the number of rows and this is showing the number of columns. So this is the answer to this first part. The order of matrix A is 2 into 2. Okay, let us do part. 2, 2, 3, 0, 5. Same. 2 rows, 2 columns. So the order is 2 into 2. Okay. Now we will move further. The part C is 2, 4. This is matrix C. So what is the order of this matrix? 2 rows, sorry, 1 row and 2 columns. Okay. So 1 row, 2 columns, so 1 into 2. This is showing number of rows, this is showing number of columns. So the order of matrix C is 1 into 2. 1 into 2. This is the answer. This is the order of matrix. Fourth part is C is equal to 4, 0, 6. 4, 0. So what is the order of matrix D? We will count the number of rows. First, second, third. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. 3 into, now we will count the number of columns. Only one column here. So 1. 3 into 1. This is the answer to the question that what is the order of matrix D. Matrix D is this one. The order of matrix D is 3 into 1 because it has 3 rows. This is 3 is for rows and 1 is for column because one column. Okay. Let us move forward. Now the part E. Let me write it. E matrix. E is equal to A is equal to. So what is the order? We will count number of rows. 1, 2, 3. Number of rows 3 into number of columns 1, 2. So 3 into 2. It is the order of matrix E. Now R. Sixth part is F is equal to 2. Only one element in this F. Okay. So we will write its order. Only one row. So 1 into only one column. 1 into 1. 1 row, 1 column. So this is the order of matrix F. Okay. Now part 7, which is G is equal to 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 0, 3, 5. Okay. So this is G. We will write its order. So we'll count the rows, number of rows. 1, 2, 3. Number of rows are 3 into 1, 2, 3. 3 columns, 3 rows, 3 columns. So the order of matrix G is 3 into 3. Order of G is equal to this 3 into 3. Okay. Okay. So sorry. So the last part is H. H matrix. Now H is equal to 1, 3, 0, 4, 6. Okay. Again, we have to find the order of given matrix, which is H. So we'll count number of rows. 1, 2. 2 rows into number of columns. 1, 2, 3. 2 into 3. This is the order of matrix H. What is the order? What is simply the order? Order of a matrix is simply written as number of rows into number of columns of a matrix. Okay. So according to this rule, we have found the order of all these matrices which are given in question number 1 of exercise 1.1 of chapter number 1, matrices and determinants, and the exercise is introduction to matrices. The question number 1 was to find the order of the given matrices. Okay, I wrote it here. Find the order of given matrices, and then we solved each and every part. It had this question has 8 parts: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have done all 8 parts. I hope you understood each and every step, each and everything, and now you know how to find the order of a matrix. It is very easy. You just have to write number of rows, then into number of columns of a matrix. Simply, it is the order of a matrix. Still, if you have any confusion or any query, you can tell me in the comment section. I will help you out, okay, in solving that. I hope you liked the lecture today. We'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.